Okay, so kind of got things somewhat moved to where I want them, not completely, because I want to come in with the motor from the right side. So I can make a little space over here. Move things around. Okay, let's see. Is that enough? You know? This should give me some good room too. Let me see. Oh, off the license plate. Somewhat good. Not perfect, but somewhat. Getting there. Because I gotta get that bottom in first because it sits in there. Put my gloves. Grab my gloves. I know I'm gonna smash my hands some, y'all. Trying to keep from totally tearing them up. Okay, let's see if we can finesse and finagle a little bit. Boom. Not really anything to grab on. I think I'm gonna have to turn it some more. Hit in the back, look like it. Like I'm hitting in the back. Right over here. Won't go past it. Yeah. There we go. Alright, there we go. Close, real close. Back y'all up a little bit. There we go, some adjustments. Okay, still some more. That's real close. I can work with that. That's real close. Okay. Yeah. Because I wanna get these brackets here first. But then I'll get this top bracket up over here. This one here next. I'll get the two in the back last. But I want to get these here first. That'll give me that swing. Alright, y'all. I gotta get those. Bring you back in a minute. Okay, gonna try to get these kind of tighten up a little bit, these front brackets. This rod here is the one that goes to the bottom. I think I got my spacers. I'm gonna see. This is one of my spacers here. I'm gonna see if I can get started on the other side, or if I have to loosen those up. Yep, there's gonna be some adjustment. Okay. I'm gonna have to loosen them up just a little bit. Thought I may have to. Just a little. So I have some play in this thing to move it. too. Try tapping it from his backside here. Okay, so I see him have to raise it. That back. I have to raise the motor. All right, all the way through. Just got to put the bolt on this side. I think I'm just going to put this bolt on hand tight for now. It goes right here by the brake. Got to take my glove off to get to this. Yeah. Yeah. You can see that bolt right there. That's the one I'm working on right here. Trying to get it a little bit. It also comes with this has the nylon bushings. I'm noticing most of them do. Okay, that should hold that. Okay, I think I want to get the top one. For these here, I have to the little what you call it brackets right here, right here. This one. But as you can see, I make sure I put everything to this side, everything that go on that side to that side, to make it pretty easy for me. I gotta figure out where I set the bolts. I think that's the 4 bolts right there. I kind of laid everything out pretty good. Yeah, I'm thinking these are the 4 bolts. They screw into here, so it's easy to check. Yep, that's the 4 bolts. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put them in loosely also. Trying to keep everything in somewhat of an order, you know. The good thing is, seems like this going back smoother than it did coming out, which is a good thing for me. Okay, the other side with the bolt. Yeah. Okay. And that's the bolt all the way through. I'm going to put this one on here just a little loose because I want to tighten up the other ones first. And I don't want that to come out. Okay. Alright, let me screw a few bolts together and I'll bring y'all back in a second. Alright, y'all. So that's all my motor mount bolts. I have one here, the bracket up front here, on the other side, and the bracket at the top. That's all 4 of those. Alright. Next thing, I think I'm going to go with the mufflers next. Yeah. I'm going to put the mufflers back on next. Then I'll start cleaning it up, putting some of the other pieces back on. Yeah. Whew. That's a workout. Yeah. It's a pretty good little workout. I gotta check to see if I have the brass washers that go in the mufflers. Because you have a brass washer, then you stick the muffler, then you stick the 2 like little locking pins, and that'd be it on them. Then you bolt them down. Good thing is though I got them apart so I could do them one at a time also. Yeah. Yeah, that was a workout. Yeah, that was a workout. That was a workout. Okay. I had a good break. Time to get back to work.